Hello, my name is Yaroshevich. I work as a practice and IT pro, but my hobby is teaching and working with students. I teach math and programming, and this is my course of web technologies, which I give at the Belarusian State University for the future business analyst in the field of IT. When I was a student and learned to work on large mainframe computers, the movie Back to the Future Part 2 was realized, where the characters got to 2015. Today we can see that practically none of those estimates came true. People do not fly with hoverboards. There are no flying cars. Housewives still cook on kitchen stoves. The only field where the movie makers' hopes were not disgraced is the field of communication. In the movie, the characters get information immediately, use created cuts, and speak via video phone. And this estimate came true in 2015. Thus, IT and World Wide Web were the forefront of scientific and technological progress. It is breakthrough area. This is the thing that changed our life, our daily routines, our habits most significantly over the last 30 years. This is why, even if you do not become professional web programmers after this course, you will certainly better orient yourself in the modern world, better understand today's realities, and consequently, you will better adapt to the modern world life than those who do not understand the essence of the change over the last 30 years and use web blindfolded without any understanding of the laws of its working. The World Wide Web technologies, which were originally designed in CERN, a European Organization for Nuclear Research, as a means of delivering documents from one scientific establishment to another, are now used as a platform for complex interactive applications, which slowly but steadily drive out installable applications. Web applications have anytime access from different devices, automatic updating, a possibility of integration of different applications writing for different platforms. This course introduced to the different web technologies and give experience in creating web applications. Students learn theoretically and get practical skills in markup languages, scripting languages, network protocols, graphic and video images, even driven programming, object-oriented programming, database. That is, those technologies allow constructing modern web application. The difficulty with selection technologies of web programming because this is a field where change happens most rapidly. In his book, Bill Gates told that Microsoft updates these technologies almost completely once or every 3 years, and the course has to be updated very often. Those technologies which are mainstream today may lose their position within a year. However, something remains relatively stable: programming concepts and application architecture. The architecture of web application usually includes the following component parts: application interface in the web browser, so call it front end, business layer, server end or back end, data storage system, data storage at the interface level are studied: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, document object model, single page application, Angular JS, and or Vue.js frameworks. At the server level, business lawyer is studied the ASP.NET technology based on C# and Visual Basic Net and Model View Controller technology. At the data level, the data lawyer is studied the ADONET technology for interoperation with database. Such selection is conditioned by the fact that today ASP.NET performs faster than any popular web framework. If situation changes in a year or two, Node.js outperform ASP.NET in speed or popularity. Then we will possibly learn Node.js at the several level. But in the meantime, we present you the things which we find the best and most useful for students for today. Thank you.